Every family has that one annoying person who makes everybody gather around together for the group picture. In my family, I am that person, and I am guilty of several things that have made my photos an organizational nightmare. Number one, I always take multiple pictures of the same person or group just so I'll have options in case somebody closed their eyes or was looking in the wrong direction. You know what I mean. Number two, I edit almost every single photo I take. I've got to get the cropping just right. I've got to get the exposure right. Saturation just so. Sometimes I'll get on a misguided tear of renaming all the file names to keep things more organized. Big mistakes. My photos were a complete mess. I had multiple libraries, multiple files, folders, smart albums, duplicates, everywhere across all of those things. I have found this method to be the best way to keep your photos organized with no messy duplicates. To follow these steps, you're just going to need two things: time and the PowerPhotos app. Now I know, not another app, please, but trust me, this app, which is designed to work with Apple Photos, will be the best $40 you have ever spent. The first thing you'll need to do is pause your iCloud library uploads. So go to the Photos app, select the Library tab, select All Photos, and tap Pause at the bottom. This temporarily halts syncing for one day, or you could just disable iCloud Photos in your iCloud settings on your Mac or in your phone. Before you begin any kind of reorganization, it's always a good idea to create a backup just in case anything happens to go wrong. So go to Home folder, find Pictures, and copy and paste your library or multiple libraries to an external drive. Verify that both libraries are the same size. Then delete the Photos library in your Pictures folder on your Mac. If you have multiple libraries like I did, you'll need to confirm which one is your system photo library. There's only one library that will sync to iCloud, so it's very important that you know exactly which one you've designated as your system photo library. More on that later. My favorite way to check is the Option key method. So quit Photos, hold the Option key, and click the Photos app again. The Photos library that is your system library will have System Photo Library in parentheses beside the name. Another way to check which library is your system library is to just open Photos and check your settings. Open the Photos app. In the menu bar, choose Photos, Settings, or Preferences on older Macs. Click the General tab and look at the Library Location section. If the button Use as System Photo Library is grayed out, then the currently opened library is already your system photo library. If the button is clickable, then the library you have open is not your system photo library. If this is the library you want to use as your system photo library, do it now. Click the Use as System Photo Library button. The first step in cleaning up this mess is to merge all your libraries into one system photo library. So close Apple Photos and open PowerPhotos. You'll see all your libraries listed in the sidebar. If you don't see all of your libraries, then what you'll need to do is go up to the top, click the ellipsis to the right of Photo Libraries section. It will bring up a contextual menu. Select Add Library and just select the library you want to add to the PowerPhotos sidebar. Repeat that process until you have all the libraries that you want to merge into one system library on that sidebar in PowerPhotos. At the top of your screen, there will be three icons. Select the one in the middle, the Merge Libraries icon, and you'll have a panel that pops up where you can set the settings for your merging. Be sure to use these settings for the safest merge. The source should be whatever library you want to merge into your new system photo library. Make sure you merge one library at a time. The destination should be your system photo library or your default library. And under duplicate handling, select Eliminate Duplicates while merging. Where it says file name, date and time, height and width, and file format must match, leave that unchecked. For choosing keepers, make sure you select Edited is true, Favorite is true, Height and width is largest, Format is JPEG, Keyword is largest, Title is custom, Caption is longest, and Album is any. In the Options section, select Combine contents of albums with same name and Show Preview before merging. In the Copy Metadata section, select Caption, Favorites, Places, Live Photo Videos, Date, Keywords, and Title. This preserves all your information that you may need in the future. Under Bursts, select Copy Selected Photos Only. This includes the chosen burst image only and does not import all those multiple burst images. Under Edit, select Copy Edited Version. This keeps your edits without creating duplicate originals. Under Incomplete Items, select Copy whatever version is available. This is the safest when working with iCloud libraries. Now, before you press Merge, this is very important. Do 3 things. Number 1, close Apple Photos. Do a quick check by looking to see what is listed next to the Apple at the top. It should say PowerPhotos, not Photos. Number 2, verify that your backup is there on your external drive. Number 3, plug your Mac into a power source. Sometimes these merges can take a while and you do not want to lose power in the middle of a merge. Then press Merge and let PowerPhotos do its magic. After it's completely done, then open Photos and let iCloud sync. Allow your Mac to sit a while indexing completes. After it's finished, you can safely move photos into new albums, delete unwanted albums, and more. Your photos remain safe in the system library. Now, if you had other libraries that you want to also merge into the system library, do that now, one at a time. The next step is where PowerPhotos really shines: duplicate detection. Don't remove duplicates until all your libraries are consolidated into your system photo library. Duplicates can exist across multiple libraries, and that is another nightmare you don't want. Once everything is merged, go to PowerPhotos, select your library, and select the icon at the top where it says Find Duplicates. This will help identify duplicates you may have remaining from the libraries you've just merged. PowerPhotos can then merge the duplicates, keep the edited version of the photo, and keep the higher resolution photo. Duplicate detection works by comparing image fingerprints, metadata, and file size. This prevents double copies of the same image. Always keep the version with edits. Apple Photos will edit non-destructively. So if you keep the original but delete the edited version, you lose the cropping and the coloring and the tone adjustments and filters. So be sure to enable Prefer Edited Version. Also, keep the highest resolution version. Duplicates can happen when you export, resize, or download a photo from social media. This is why I got into such a mess with my duplicates. But PowerPhotos will show you the file size so you can keep the largest duplicate. For example, this photo is 4.5 megabytes. The copy is 1.2 megabytes. Always choose the larger size. You also want to make sure that you've merged your metadata before you delete it. Now, if you've merged libraries, this is done automatically. You want to preserve your keywords, your titles, your caption, your locations. So if you have 2 photos and one doesn't have all the metadata that the other has, if you merge them, it'll protect that information. When you're ready, select Delete Duplicates. PowerPhotos will automatically remove the duplicates while keeping the best version of the photo. Because your library syncs with iCloud Photos, deleted duplicates will go to the recently deleted bin where they'll stay for 30 days. So if you need to recover one, you can. When you're finished consolidating, you'll end up with one main library, your system photo library. Now you are well on your way to complete photo organization, but there is important file and folder restructuring we need to do. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use PowerPhotos to create a file structure that will keep you organized now and in the future.